Our next item's not a box. In fact, it's a long way from a box. It's a crimping machine. Now, in the 19th century, they used to crimp paper. They used to crimp cuffs on dresses and shirts. This is basically what it does. You get a plain piece of paper. You put it on those rollers and... Sarah, hold that there for 1 sec. And then you crimp. And it gives you this crimped edge. And you can use that on cardboard, silk, material, anything. This dates to about 1840, 1845. It's beautifully made. It'll just be a lovely ornament sitting on a desk. A talking point, something in a kitchen. I mean, it's a wonderful piece of kit. Thank you very much.